We are given this function f of x equals x squared plus 8x plus 4 when x is less than or equal to negative 6, and 2x minus 5 when x is greater than or equal to negative 6. And we have to check whether if this function is continuous or differentiable or both. So first let's check for continuity. According to the rule of a continuous function, function is continuous at a point A when f of A equals limit of the function as x approaches A. So this is the rule that we have to check if the function is continuous. And since the function changes at x equal to negative 6, here we say that A equals negative 6. So basically we have to check the continuous for continuity if it is continuous at A equal to negative 6. So I can rewrite this relation as f of minus 6, and this should be equal to limit of f of x as x approaches negative 6. So we must see that this condition should be satisfied. Only if this is satisfied, we say that the function is continuous. So first let me find this f of minus 6. For this we have to use this second part. So f of minus 6, this equals 2x minus 5 is the expression. I replace x by negative 6, so this becomes 2 times of negative 6 minus 5, and this equals 2 times negative 6 is minus 12 minus 5, and this gives negative 17. So f of minus 6 is negative 17. I can replace or I can put negative 17 here, and this must be equal to the limit of the function. To determine the limit, we are going to use the left side limit as well as the right side limit. Let me clear this up. Find the left side limit. So for that, we have to use this first part. So the left side limit is a limit of f of x. X approaches negative 6 from the left. So this equals a limit of, we have to use the first part. So this becomes x squared plus 8x plus 4 as x approaches negative 6 minus. Uh, this function is continuous at every point on the interval. However, let's find it out. We can do the direct substitution. When we do the direct substitution, we will get to know what exactly it approaches. So this is negative 6 squared plus 8 times of negative 6 plus 4. And this equals negative 6 quantity square is 36. 8 times negative 6 is negative 48 plus 4. So you get 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 minus 8 is negative 8. So the left side limit is negative 8. Now let's find the right side limit. For this, we have to use the first part, that is 2x minus 5. So we write down this equals the limit of f of x. X approaches negative 6 from the right. So therefore, this equals the limit of 2x minus 5 as x approaches negative 6 from the right side. We can now do the direct substitution. So this becomes 2 times of negative 6 minus 5, and this equals negative 17. So clearly the left side limit, which is negative 8, and the right side limit, which is negative 7, these two are not equal. So we say that the limit does not exist. That is limit of f of x, x approaches negative 6 from the left, and this is not equal to limit of f of x, x approaches negative 6 from the right. So this means the limit does not exist. So we can replace the limit does not exist here. This is does not exist. So this means we are not able to see that this condition is satisfied. That is f of negative 6 equals limit of f of x as x approaches -6. Since this rule is not satisfied, we say that it is not continuous. The function is not continuous at x equals -6. And to check for the differentiability, the basic condition has to be that the function has to be continuous. So since the function is not continuous, we say that it is also not differentiable. So we choose the option function is not continuous and not differentiable.